25 Kensey Valley Meadow. Look behind me. It's lovely. It's a field, there's a river, you can hear it bubbling behind us, and it looks absolutely fantastic on a beautiful day like today. The property here is a semi-detached property. It's less than 20 years old, and it's got 3 bedrooms upstairs. The two of the bedrooms are brilliant for kids. One of those 2 is a double, so you can fit a double bed in there, and the main master bedroom has a good size, and it has the ensuite shower room coming off of that. Living room, really good size as well, overlooks the back garden here, and there's an understairs cupboard that's enormous. You could almost fit a small child in there. And then the kitchen has got a nice bay window where you can pop a table, always look good, and we are in a nice area here, just on a nice established estate, just less than a mile from the town. Come and have a look.